Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to transfer Robinhood money to your bank. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically, as you can see here, this is a learning center or the sports articles of Robinhood. And those are the steps on how you can withdraw your money from Robinhood to your bank. And as you can see, to transfer your money from your Robinhood account to your debit card or bank account, you will need just to go to your account and then go to the menu. So basically here, if you go to account, and this will be our menu here in the web app, and it is slightly different in the mobile app, and basically from there you will find the transfer option. So here, this is my web app, and basically I'm supposed to find the uh, the transfer option, and from there I can withdraw the money. So basically then you will enter the amount that you would like to withdraw, and you choose the Robinhood account that you want to withdraw the money from, and then transfer it to some external account. And basically this is how you can do it in the web app, I mean the mobile app, and it is, as I said, just slightly different than uh, mobile web app. So basically you will be able just to go here and transfer your money, and again enter the amount that you would like to withdraw, and you choose the Robinhood account, etc. And after that you select the linked external account, basically the one that you linked your Robinhood with when you created your account, etc. And then you can review, so you can just confirm your withdrawal, and then just click on select transfer to confirm your transmission. And basically, by that, you will be able to withdraw the money from your Robinhood account to your external account. Thank you for watching and see you next time.